To the back garden. I don't think we've been out here before. The Harley doesn't fit out here. It won't go through that gate and up the path and everything. But this will. Haha. It's the BSA B40 again. Since I got it, I've put a bit of rubber hose in between the carburetor and the air cleaner. It's not perfect, but it'll do for the time being. It needs it's a different carburetor. It needs a different carburetor and not a monobloc of some sort. Luckily, they do make those brand new. The same Amal still make them, or they've just recently started making them again or something. So that's good. This hole in the cowling here, this is where the ignition switch was, which isn't connected up, but I needed to take it out to investigate its possibilities. At the moment we've still got the up is down, up is on, down is off ignition. Everything else pretty much wired up all the time as long as the battery's connected. The other thing I wanted to do was the battery was held in by, what do they call them, zip ties, which is fine, but I wanted to upgrade it to a bungee cord. I haven't had it running yet. Today was the first day I've had it outside, so I jumped up and down on it a bit, got the odd fut out of it. It's sparking, compression's there. It's just with old bikes you need to work out how they like to be started, and that takes a while. I do have work to do on it though. I was planning to just sort of ride it around and see what was wrong with it, or what I wanted to change, but I've already nailed down, I mean there was those two things, the air cleaner and the battery. I rerouted a couple of cables, but the real thing I've got to look at before I can take it out. Yeah, underneath. Everywhere, like that plate there, that connector there, all the bits where a hose goes onto an oil tank or into an engine, they're just pouring with oil. I mean, it's something that you kind of expect. That tray, it filled that in a month, cold, not going anywhere, not even turning the engine over. So it's really going to start coming out when it's hot. So that really has to be done. I'm not going to split the engine. I'm not going to attempt to, rejoin every surface in the bike. But definitely these obvious ones under here, these can all come off and be redone. And I'll get some new. I want to put an oil filter on it anyway. So I'll get meters and meters of oil tube and some Jubilee clips and just do everything from new. I'm probably going to do that in the winter as a project, because I had planned to strip it anyway to rewire it. So I don't think I'm going to be riding this thing this year, which is a bit of a shame. But it's just me being picky. Like the Harley when I got it, it's a running project, it runs, you can ride it around, well, once you work out how to get it started. But 350 B40, I think it's going to be a good little bike. Cheery bye.